early, but up and early. Get up in here. It's chilly outside. Good morning, guys. We're up and early. It's about 7 a.m. We are on our way to Cars and Coffee in Folsom. It's like about a 30-minute drive from where I live. This is my first Cars and Coffee, man. So let's get it. It's a beautiful day. Letting the car warm up right now. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful morning. I'm ready. I'm ready to see all these cars going. I want to see what the whole hype's about. This is gonna be my first Cars and Coffee too. So should be exciting. Should be. Dang, it's pretty hard to do with one hand, but yeah, there we go. Should be exciting. Cool cars go. I washed mine up, just letting her warm up right now. Super cold. I think it's pretty cold right now in the morning, but it's a beautiful day. So let's get to it. I'll pick you guys up in a few seconds on our way there. Let's get it. Yeah. Just like that, guys. We are here. Just trying to fix it. We made it, guys. We're here at Cars and Coffee Folsom. Looks pretty lit, not gonna lie. Looks pretty good turnout. This is my first time coming over here, so it looks pretty damn good. And one of my boys just texted me that he's on his way too. So yeah, it should be fun. It's pretty packed too, so let's see how this goes. Let's see. Got my keys, got everything. All right. All right, guys, we made it. It's pretty damn good. Look at this. Classics. Jeez, guys, this is a pretty good turnout. This is pretty cool. Check out this GT 500, man. This thing is wow. This is super clean. The 302. Dang, guys, check this one out.
Yeah, it was pinks. And things was like, how many leads you gonna give me? I know, dude. I don't know. I haven't
This is crazy.
I'm gonna do. You gotta give me some links. And all you do is share cars.
We got the Dodge. We got the Dodge Demon. Two Dodge Demons, actually. Back to back. Look at that. Oh, man. Look at that.
And then, of course, in the 80s, they started having racing.
This is pretty crazy, guys. This is so cool, honestly. I've never seen so many cars like this. Sheesh, look at this Z06. God, these Corvettes are so nice, guys. Look at this. LT4 supercharger. Damn. Dang. Check this out, guys. Pulled up right here with the boys. Had to pull up on this green 5.0. Oh, yeah. Sheesh. Got the Mustang lineup. Dude, this looks so clean.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That looks so clean.
Look at that.
I know, right?
They're all 19. Yeah.
And they're all 5.0s.
Yeah.
Bro, this thing looks so clean.
Oh, hey, we're competing with the Dodges right now. Look at that. This is a good move.
This looks so sick. God. Guys, this is crazy. This looks so clean. Such a good lineup, the boys 5.0s. Super nice. Look at this. We're competing with the Dodge. There's like Dodge over there, all lined up. So clean. And just like that, guys, Cars and Coffee's over. I was chilling with my boys a little bit at the end. We were probably like the last ones, but I didn't do an outro, so I had to come to a little spot not too far from where the Cars and Coffee was. But yeah, it was a great turnout, super fun. This was my first Cars and Coffee, so I think it was pretty fun. Definitely coming next time for sure. Super great people, such good vibes, man. Just everyone vibing over cars, you know, having good talks. We actually met this guy. We're talking for him for a while at the end, and he had a Whipple supercharger on his Y50. It's crazy. Hopefully in the future. But yeah, guys, thanks for sticking throughout this video. Hopefully it's not too long. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment anything you guys want to see, and yeah, see y'all in the next time. Peace.